people say, oh, we haven't time for that, everything's moving so quickly. We must just keep running on the spot, keep going. You've got to make yourself time. Just for these, going back to sacred spaces, you need to take time in life, in the middle of a busy life, to be for yourself, to be quiet, to be with God, to take time to read. I used to divide my day in captivity up into sections. So much time for exercise, so much time for reading, so much time for reflection. And somehow, I know we lead busy lives, we lead frantic lives, many of us, and have the burden and responsibility of keeping going. But still within that, we can find time for reading, for study, for quiet, for ourselves, so that we can be more complete, more whole persons ourselves. I have a long way to go. I know what to talk, really.